Missing woman last seen at Municipal Corporation building in Portmore. Female security guard dead after being hit by car in St. Mary. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 52-year-old Darnett Jones of Blooming Close, Greater Portmore St. Catherine, has been missing since Friday, March 8th. She is of brown complexion and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Greater Portmore Police are that between the hours of 4 a.m. and 11 a.m., Jones was last seen at the Municipal Corporation building in Portmore wearing black tracksuit. She has not been heard from since, the police stated. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Darnett Jones is asked to contact the Greater Portmore Police at 876-989-0623 or the police emergency number 119. A female security guard died as a result of injuries she sustained upon being struck by a motor vehicle along the Trinity Main Road in St. Mary on Monday. The deceased is 34-year-old Afia Archer, who was assigned to the Tax Administration Jamaica office in Port Maria, St. Mary. She succumbed to her injuries in hospital on Tuesday. Reports from the Port Maria police are that about 7:45 a.m. on Monday, Archer was crossing the roadway when she was hit by a grey Toyota Probox motor car that was heading towards Port Maria. She sustained multiple injuries and was assisted to hospital, where she died the following day. Police investigations are ongoing into the development.